Hello, 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 everyone, and good morning to you all. Mwah, to all of you. I wish I could give you each a big hug. Um, yes, okay, so today is Monday, the 19th of, no, the 18th of November 2024. Day ahead for some reason. And it's actually a beautiful day out there, but we had a lot of heavy frost. Heavy frost there last night. And it's just starting, the sun's kind of melting it a little bit. So, but still, no snow. Please, God, no snow. So, this is where I'm at. I'm over here working on the pom pom. And yeah. So, yesterday, our dear sweet Blue Bombers lost to the Toronto Argonauts. So, not good. But there's always next year, right? Always next year. And they lost pretty badly, too. So it just goes to show that Toronto was a better team. So, and who knows what happened with our Blue Bombers, but it's sad. It's sad. But next year, the Grey Cup will be held in Winnipeg. So, praying that the Blue Bombers get in again and they will be in front of a hometown crowd. So, yeah. So, yesterday I went to Mass and we weren't that many, but still, where two or three are gathered. And then after Mass, I came home and I quickly filled the bird feeder. So my birdies are happy, at least for the time being. The Blue Jays aren't happy because there's not much there for them, but which is good. Those darn Blue Jays, I tell you. But the chickadees and the wrens and the nuthatches and the sparrows are there, so that's good. So anyway, and then I came in and I ended up chatting the afternoon away with Carol and Christina again. It was nice, really nice. And yeah. Mm. And then what? Oh, I'll show you what I worked on. Just a second here. I'm almost finished this. I've only got a few more stitches left in my thread here, so I will do that and then I will show you. But yeah, to the west of us, there was a winter storm warning. And so far, nothing here. Up north, they got it too, but nothing here. So if you got snow, I feel sorry for you. I know in the mountains, of course, they got snow, but yeah. So, and this morning I was watching a little bit of the Laken Riley trial. So, put him into jail and then ship his butt back to wherever, Venezuela or Mexico or wherever he's from, Brazil. I don't know where he's from. So, anyway, I will show you here what I worked on yesterday. I was so pleased, and I will get this one done today for sure. Okay, let me see here if I can get this. Let's see here. I know the plastic is still on there, but that's where I'm at. I know it may not be straight, and there may be a little bit more space in between, like between these. I have done the best that I can. So I've got one more to put in here, like a snowflake. And then this one will be done, and I will cut away all this plasticky stuff. And it's just underneath here, so then it just takes a little bit of water and it'll dissolve. So I will have this one done. And yeah, it's a little off center, but I've done the best that I can do with what I've got. And Juliet thought it looked pretty good. So that is good. That is good. Now I got to see here what number this was here. So the pink was, oh no, it's down here. 36. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, so then that'll be a nice project to have finished once I can get the other plug case done. And yeah, and see how things go. I hope he's happy with it. I've done the best that I can, and I'm not the best at math and figuring things out like that to make sure that it's exactly even, but I've done the best that I can. So, but I'm hoping it is by the end of the week I can have them both done. That's good. And that will be in time there for his anniversary. So I think it's so sweet that he thought of something like this. So, yes. So never be discouraged there about, if you've got a project or something like that and you're not quite sure how to do it, how to go about doing it. There's always a way that you can do it. Is it the perfect way? Probably not. I'm sure that others that would have done this would have done a much better job than I did. But I've done the best that I can. So I'm eager to see what it looks like when it's all when all that webbing is gone. I think that's going to be kind of neat. So yesterday, Carol and Christina and we thought about what to do for January. So we've come up with an idea for January, and I think it's going to be good. So, yeah. So, I think it'll be something that you guys will like too. And yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. I think it's good. I kind of have an idea for February. And but I mean that might change, right? So, yeah. So today I've got dishes to do, and um, um, Juliet's helping out at the memorial for, um, oh gosh, Dorothy Blue. Yeah, the Blue family have been here since Ericsdale was founded. So, yeah. But still, it was nice to have Father Paul here. And I had forgotten to plug the trickle charger in for Susie, so I did that yesterday too. It's not the block heater, it's the trickle charger. And to have that plugged in makes it easier for Susie because the battery seems to, there's a reverse charge there somewhere in Susie, and it's been there since day one. And I have no idea what that is. All I know is that the reason why I knew that is because there was one time when I was in Oakville and I plugged in the my phone to charge, and Susie was taking the charge from the phone, and so it was actually draining Susie, and or I mean draining my battery, and Susie was absorbing it. So where that reverse charge is, I don't know. So the trickle charger keeps the battery going and charged up. And a trickle charger is just it just do, it'll give a little bit of a charge and then stop for a little bit and then start again for a little bit. Not a full blown charge. It's just like the name implies. So yeah. So anyway, and then I'm not sure what I'm doing today. My foot is awfully sore again. Put it up on my footstool. But I am going to work on these pillowcases. Well, the second one there. And maybe I can get another 12 finished today. So the sooner that I get it done, the sooner it's done and out of the way. So yeah, but otherwise, not much else. I don't know what it's supposed to go up to. I think I looked at the weather there this morning, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me see. I am not sure. It's -1. They've got a warning, dangerous blizzard conditions loom. So it's saying massive system threatens major snowfall totals, dangerous travels. So I'm not sure exactly. Well, for us, it's going up to 6 degrees today. And then it's going down to 1 overnight, 2 with rain tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. 5 to 10 centimeters of snow and 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. And Wednesday, a high of 0 and another 5 centimeters of snow. So I guess that's it. That's it. May melt a little bit. Oh my gosh. Getting into December, on the 1st of December, we're only going to have a high of -12. But that can change a lot because that's 2 weeks away, right? That can change an awful lot. It may end up being that the temperature would be maybe 20 degrees or something. That would be nice. It's hard to believe that Christmas is so close. Oh my gosh, peeps. If you've got something to work on to get finished for Christmas, you better hustle. You better hustle, hustle. Because the time is just a wasting. So, I'll have to see if I'm going to go uptown tomorrow and get my x-rays done. I'll give them a chance today to get it faxed over to here. So, almost finished this color. I'm so happy. Oh, please remember that this Sunday there will be a live. Okay, we'll be back to our regular time. And oh, Father Paul said yesterday that, he's going to be here for the Sunday. I don't know if it's the 17th or something. I don't know, 16th, whatever it is. And then he will be here on Christmas Eve. So there. Oop. See, I am finished that now. So I'm finished all that pink that's in here. No, I stand corrected. Ah, I got a whole whack of it to do here on the sewing machine. Well, not a lot, but it's enough. I thought I was done. And I found another couple. That's why I like to color complete. I like to get it done, and then they're finished, and I don't have to worry about them. So, but I am enjoying this one. I think it's looking pretty good. Now, I had asked on yesterday's video about doing a whip parade. And so far I've gotten not a really, really great response, but so far there's been 3, as far as I know, 3, well, that's no good. 3 responses of a yes. Maybe I'll do a poll and see. Maybe that would be better. But if you're not on Facebook and you'd like to see the whip parade, then I can then just put it down below. And yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind hauling out all those boxes and bags and bins and everything else. Yeah, I don't mind doing all of that. No, no. So I will do that. Maybe I'll find something that I want to work on there. I don't know. Maybe there's something hidden there. Oh, remember this year I started quite well, not quite a few charts that ended up being duds. And um, there's one I'd like to get back to that did not go as well as I thought. But I think if I put it on a frame, it will. I think it will. Oh, I must have allergies or something. So yeah, so um do you want a whip parade, a whip and kit parade, a what have I got on my pattern keeper, or what have I got on my good notes? I can do those too. And then if you want to, we can do another time we can do a walkthrough of all my finished pieces. All the ones that I finished over the last little while that are not um, fully finished. Like on a frame or mounted or something. I can do that too. And again, I'll ask, what would you like to do for 25? For 2025, what would you like to do? What is a theme or a something that you can like as a challenge for next year is to like finish up one big project like this one, or finish up another project. Like, I'm not talking about a HAID or anything, okay? I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something that's reasonable, but is a bigger one, okay? That it's not. I don't know what happened here. Uh, there, put that there, and something that is really feasible for 2025. You know, maybe an overall theme like for 2025 it can be wild animals, it can be domestic animals, it can be birds, it can be forest theme, anything that has like a forest theme to it for next year as being your focal piece, your focus piece, right? Just something that you say, that is a piece I'm going to work on all throughout next year and hopefully get it done. Now, we're not talking about little ones, okay? We're talking about bigger ones that you say, okay, I'm going to work on that until it's done. Now, it does not have to be continual working on it. That's not what I mean. You know, you can say, oh, that on Wednesdays are my days to work on this, you know, or I don't know. I don't know. I know a lot of people do temperature, that you can do it any day where the temperature is, say, for us, below zero. You can work on it. Or that, but then once summer comes, then you're not working on it, right? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I need some help, peeps. Please help, help, help. I just, I like to put challenges out there. You don't have to do them. Nobody's saying that you have to do them. You know, if you work on something and something happens and you can't get it finished for the end of the year, next year, but have a theme. We need to have a theme that across the board, it's this, right? It can be country designs. It can be, like I said, birds or animals or um, domestic animals like cats and dogs and ferrets and weasels and whatever else, gerbils. Or it can be something related to the kitchen or something related to, you know, something that is fantasy oriented, or something is whatever. I'm open to it. Please, suggestions. Please, please, please. I am not one for playing these games that are the temperature games. Like when if it ends in a one, then you do this one for 100 stitches. If it ends in this one, you do that for 100. No, I'm not interested in having a pile here that goes right to the ceiling. No, I'm not doing that. No. I just um I just want to be able to work on something to try and get it finished. Or just go through your stash and find one that is that you want to get done. That you say, that's it, next year, 2025, by the end of the year, I am going to have it finished. So now, will that be here, my gnome? I don't know. But I am doing other things in between. So I will be able to take a break from it, like I do here with these pillowcases, right? I'm almost finished this thread. And then, so think about it. I'm open to suggestions. And you can either write them here, or you can put them in the Facebook group, or you can tell me on Sunday during the live. I'm open to anything, right? And if we can get it that people can agree, or I can do a poll, then that would be awesome. So just a minute here. I am just... So I took my meds last night at 7 o'clock instead of 6:30. And even though I was up like 3 or 4 times to go to the bathroom, and there was a continual purring going on, whether it was Jonah or Ruthie, they were taking turns. So, okay, so this is where I'm at. I was working right here. I just got this little bit and a few other places to do. And then I'll be done that color. So that's good. I'm happy about that. So, but I have to see what it is that I'm going to do. But I am going to work on these pillowcases today and try and get done. I'd like to try and get them done by the end of the week. I don't know yet, but I'm going to try. So, all right, everyone. So, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be well. May God bless you this day and every day. God loves you. And so do I. And so does Jonah, who's up in the cat condo. And Ruthie is hiding somewhere. She's probably in the bedroom. She was running around like crazy here this morning. So, yeah. So, and I've got dishes to do, and I think I'm just going to have macaroni and cheese for lunch. I need something more bland. My tummy's been upset. I don't know if it's the increase in my medication or not. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I've got an intestinal flu bug or something. I don't know. So, anyways, thank you, Jesus, for being my Lord and Savior. Thank you for saving me from my sins. Thank you for being there in my darkest and deepest moments. Thank you for loving me like you do. Thank you for caring enough for me that you would die on the cross for me so that my sins would be forgiven. And that's a prayer I pray for all of you as well. Okay, everybody, I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Toodle-oodles, everybody.